All right, we are back on YouTube. It says excellent. Hopefully, does it freaking change? Pros and cons of living in a mansion on the hills, I guess. I wish I live in a mansion.
Yeah. I know, Kill the Beat. This guy, he's got his router like fucking probably like 1 acre down the road.
In the east wing.
Yeah.
Speaking of that, I think I need to move my router in here.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. You should get it like, within visual distance.
Yeah, because it's in the living room.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna move it in here. I think that should be better. Yeah, right now it says the collection is excellent. Damn, so many recommendations. Like, which one should I go with? Someone says get a Wi-Fi extender. Oh, well, at least it's not saying error. Now it says warning. It's not dropping any frames though. It says YouTube says warning, but OBS is not dropping any frames, I mean. So that's good. I didn't check the frame earlier. The frames. If it's not dropping frames, then it should be good. When you're streaming using OBS and it's dropping frames, then your internet is bad. Can I explain what I'm going to do? What do you mean?
Buy or sell, Abe. Jesus Christ. Give me signals now.
Because you missed it. So earlier I said since we failed to break below 2174, if we break above 2179, so if we break above 2179 and we have right now, I don't see a high probability demand level here on the 15-minute, but we might have it on the 30. And if we're going to use the 30-minute time frame, that means I have to wait for the 30-minute candle to close above 2179, wait for the pullback to level of demand, and take the buys going back up. That's for buys. For sales, we still have to wait for us to break below 2174. And even possibly below 2173. Yeah, small candles, no volume. Yeah, for sure. Today, if we don't have volume this session, I definitely will understand because we got CPI today. Should be crazy volume, and I can't freaking wait so we can freaking get out of this crazy range.
Yeah.
That US 30 sell yesterday, I kind of wish we took it, but I just wasn't confident.
Yeah. I actually took a very small trade on it.
Wow. You hear that, guys?
Because it looked good on the smaller time frame. There was like a resistance formed and then a support formed and then broke it. So I had a really tight stop loss as well. So I was like, okay, I'll just put like 25% of my normal position and just, see what happens. And it went.
All the way down.
Yeah.
Straight
I
down
got
to
out once it
freaking
broke the low
demand.
stuff.
Good cooking
But
at
man,
all
it
time
went
high.
all the way back up again.
Yeah. And then back. Wait, did it come back down again?
No, it closed near the highs.
Oh yeah. It faked out the sellers right here, and then
Yeah.
pushed up. We were gonna sell from around. I was looking to sell
I
it
think it was that
around
bearish. Yeah,
here. Yeah,
yeah.
and it came down. Damn, 115 pips. That's 1,100 points. Damn.
Yeah.
We should have taken it, but we didn't. That's gone.
I understand why it was risky too, because it never closed below.
Yeah.
He kept wick rejecting it.
Man, no volume at all. Even GBP with the GBP news, we looked at GJL and didn't do nothing.
Looks like GJ pumped before the news and then pulled back because of the news.
Yeah, that's all it did. Your brain saying sell from here? What? It didn't break structure, it rejected structure. All time frames rejected. Even the 5 minute, 5, 15, 30, 1 hour. This candle is looking like it wants to break 2179. You're waiting for 1 hour candle closure before you buy.
Yeah. Hey, Amaru. Only if you're ready. Let's go. I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love that do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. Me no care about all the noise, but I'm digging your station. See how you got my head spinning with a body rotation. Couple of days went by, now I'm losing my patience. Go ahead, drop a pin, girl, wanna know your location. What's your location? Had to pull a plug on your ex, now you coming my way out. I can switch it up for you, girl, I'm no longer a player. See that pretty face on my screen, that'll make my day.
If we had a closure below 2174, I would have been looking for sales.
I can see it on you. Your love they do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. Do you know she royalty? Do you know she royalty?
See what happens when it reaches the highs.
She gon' say I be that one that a girl heart racing. I didn't feel like with her we can take over nations, yeah. We can take a trip whenever, girl, you need a
Big news today, yes. CPI.
bike, girl, killing everything like on a mission. Girl on a mission.
Good morning, Miguel.
Had to pull a plug on your ex, now
You secure 20 on NAS, nice.
I can switch it up for you.
I'm good, can she?
See that pretty face on my screen, that'll make my day. I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me.
Let me make this prices big
Every time with you by my
so you guys can see them clearly.
girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. Do you know she royalty? Do you know she royalty? Do you know she royalty?
Excuse me, guys. What's my technical analysis on gold for CPI? Honestly, and I always say this, so when we have news, I don't like to predict. I just let the news do whatever, and then I start looking for setups after that. Because I don't like to bother myself predicting the news, because anything can happen, so I don't like to do that. Obviously, there are traders that would, there are traders that do that, but I don't. And that's one of the reasons why when I'm looking to trade, when I'm looking at the chart, I will have a bias, but I don't get married to my bias. If my bias is bullish, the market might decide to be bearish. And if I'm married to my bias, then I won't take the sell. Man, I got a case for my Z Fold, and I'm like, damn, I miss iPhone. I might go back to iPhone. Like freaking all the cases I've seen is freaking ugly.
The case did it in.
They're ugly. I like it better without the case, but you gotta protect the phone. How do I feel about futures? I'm good with futures. I got no issues at all. I already trade NASA and US 30, so I got no issues with it. The only cons, I believe, is the monthly fee that you got to pay. Right, well, you got to pay monthly fee. Yeah. Oh, you meant to say platform? So I've taken a look at TraderVate, Ninja Trader, and is it Quantum? I think that's what it's called.
Lucian said Quantum.
Yeah. Among those three, I prefer TraderVate. Yeah, so if I'm going to trade futures, that will be the platform I'll use. But I'll probably be taking the trades on TradingView though, because I think with TradingView, if you have a TraderVate, yep, right here, TraderVate. So if I'm trading futures, I'll be taking the trades on TradingView. Since you can use TraderVate on TradingView. Yeah, you pay commissions, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, the private Zoom during New York session when Abe's trading like NAS or US 30, we're gonna be seeing some crazy numbers appear on TradingView. It's like, oh shit, he's up 10K. What the fuck? Look at it go.
In the beginning, I'm gonna have. In the beginning, I'm gonna have to start slow. You hate how you gotta pay to link to Twittervate? Oh, I mean, TradingView is not expensive. You can just get their monthly subscription. Yeah, QB, but at least you don't. There is no spreads. At least, right? Well, there's no spreads.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, no spread. But definitely not the same kind of liquidity that you can get on the Forex market.
But with Forex, we pay commission and we pay spreads.
Yeah, so then probably like balances itself out somewhere.
Yeah.
Like I can imagine like if you took like like 90 lots on like gold or NAS or something, man, you getting slipped hard. Lucian's gonna be like, oh shit, huge buyer stepping in.
Oh, I got you hooked on NAS. Oh, nice. You're just now looking into futures. We have gotten good at Forex. Oh, yeah, nah. Yeah. Keep learning how to trade Forex before you jump ship.
Yeah. So I'm looking at the screenshot Lucian took yesterday of gold, and you could see like the liquidity is low. It's like every price point you got like 15, 20 lots, 27, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20s. So if you took 90, you'd like wipe out multiple rows.
Morning, but it's different. A contract is not like one lot. One contract had more lots. I don't know, 100 or so. It's contract, not lot. It's much higher.
Yeah, another thing that I like with futures is that they have the micro and mini. So if you have a small account, you can trade. Micro or mini? Can't
Micro.
remember. Yeah,
micro is for small account.
Yeah, micro. So if you got a small account, you have to trade micro. And if you have a decent account size, you can trade mini. But you can
I don't think futures is...
You can still trade micros, right? Even if you have a decent account size, right? You can do whatever you want.
Yeah, but I don't think futures is good for people with small account size because you gotta pay the monthly fee, and the micros, their commission is like it's high. It's a high commission fee.
Yeah.
So, like small accounts, they're better sticking with Forex.
Make that money with Forex first.
Yeah.
I really don't know too much about futures apart from, trading, because it's the same thing. But if you want to trade futures, I will recommend at least have 10K at least. Right? Am I right? 10K should be good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, but I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure the contract size and lot size, it's the same for gold because one pip is $10 for gold, right? Per lot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So that's the same for the future contract, $10 per pip.
You started with 500, grew to 4K on micro alone. Nice. What platform did you use, Miguel? Yeah, small. Yeah, even so for small, like if you wanna even start small, yeah, I recommend at least 500, nothing less than that. You use TradeOvate. Yeah, I like TradeOvate. If I'm gonna trade futures, yeah, I'll go with them.
So what I found, it's one contract. It's worth like 200k, one contract on gold futures. So when you see 200 lots, it's like $4 million.
Yeah,
order.
but that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about like the value of each price movement pip. It moves 1 pip, you get $10.
Yes, I understand. But I just say when you see on the footprint these numbers, when you see 20 contract is like $20 million order. It's not like we enter with 2 lots when you see 2 contracts.
Oh, Lucian, I saw Stop Loss Matters on YouTube today. I think he's back.
Yeah, he has already 2 weeks.
Oh, he's been back for 2 weeks?
Yes.
Oh
yeah,
wow!
yes.
I just saw him today. It
and
popped
he
up on
has
my homepage.
4 wins.
Yeah.
He changed a little bit the system, but also like now he take profit much faster, like 10 pips, 12 pips, and waiting.
Yeah. I guess he took a much needed break. You just eat
Yeah,
your...
and now he has a job. He's not so.
Oh, he doesn't trade full time anymore?
No, he has a job and only London, and when he has time.
Oh.
Now he doesn't have so much pressure on him.
Yeah. Everyone wants to get to the top, but man.
And he don't train the 5 minutes anymore.
Yeah, I've seen that. He was
back to the simple, yeah.
He was switching
M and
between
W.
He was switching between 30 and 15 minutes. Do I still stay in Houston? Yes, I do.
Kill the beat. He said he got slapped all the way back to a 9 to 5.
Damn, kill the bit. Damn. I thought WoW was the cold one.
Oh man.
You on a different level.
No mercy, Jesus.
You're sympathizing.
Man, if he said that on his YouTube, insta banned by his mods.
Like, man, that's tough. But at the same time, it's learning. It's a learning phase.
yeah. Amaru.
There's nothing wrong with 9 to 5 plus trading.
I need to think this through.
For me,
Weapons,
I would say yes.
you do, girl.
There is
Why you have to
everything wrong with 9 to 5 plus me trading. Nah. And the reason why I say that is because when I made the decision to start trading, I made that decision because I want my freedom. That's why I made that decision. But if I'm still trading and then I still have a 9 to 5 job, then I've not accomplished my mission. I have not accomplished my mission until I quit my 9 to 5 job and then I start trading full time. Even if I'm not where I want to be yet financially, but at least I still have my freedom. You understand what I mean? I still have my freedom. So that's just me. That's just me. The first goal I set for myself was freedom, and I have it. I have it. I ain't got to clock into no freaking job and somebody tell me, this is what I'm gonna pay you. Or if I don't freaking show up to job, you can freaking fire me. Pretty much my livelihood is in your hands, is in someone else's hands. I didn't want that. I got tired of that. That's why I always preach, if you're a beginner, don't focus on the money, just focus on the freedom. That should be your goal, because the first step to achieving the riches or the wealth you want to achieve, it starts with freedom. And that should be your goal. Not everyone is going to be wealthy. Not everyone is going to be rich. Not everyone is going to have freedom to do whatever they want to do with their life, with their time. Some of us, we only just going to have that freedom. That's it. It's not going to go past that. Some of us will be rich. Some of us will be wealthy. So, now that I have the freedom, I'm just praying to God for the riches. I'm praying to God for the wealth. And if God says, hey, no, you're just going to have the freedom, then I'm fine with that. If God says I'm going to be rich, well, I'm grateful. If He says I'll be wealthy, I'm grateful. But He has given me the freedom, because I prayed to Him for that. I asked for that. And now I am asking for riches. I mean, who wouldn't? So if He gives me that riches, I'll be grateful. If He doesn't, I'll still be grateful. I have freedom. I can buy whatever I want to freaking buy. I can wear whatever I want to wear. I can eat whatever I want to freaking eat. I can go wherever I want to freaking go to. Nobody is telling me what to do. So I'm good. I'm Gucci. And one of the keys to having that freedom before the riches or the wealth, man, you gotta be patient. You gotta be very patient and stop chasing money. Stop chasing money. Money does not like to be chased. That's a sign of desperation, and money does not like that. You're desperate. Yeah, and women, that too. As a man, stop chasing women. I'm not saying if you're single, don't try to get to a woman. That's not what I'm saying. But I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys understand what I mean by stop chasing women. If you're single, as a man, once you get the woman, that's it. You're done. That's funny. He said some of us will die of boredom waiting for this goat to move.
Oh man, Jesus, it really isn't moving.
Yeah, he's spot on. Messing with me in regards to trading, man, I'm gonna get you right. God has given me that knowledge. I don't care what anyone says. When it comes to trading, I'm a freaking good teacher. I might not be known in the Forex community, but the ones that know, they know. I'm gonna get you right. I'm gonna do my best to get you right, because the bulk of the job is on you. I'm gonna teach you every freaking thing you need to do in regards to trading. That's if you're willing to learn. So you can get that freedom you're looking for. That freedom you so much desire. The only thing I can help you with is psychology. I will give you tips. I will give you advice. The tips I'm gonna give you is the stuff that helped me. That's all I can do. So psychology, I can't teach that. No one can teach that, because I'm me and you. We're not the same mentally. What I can deal with mentally, you might not be able to deal with it mentally. Need to turn up every day and trade the strategy, then tweak it, find your edge. Yes, pretty much. What are you trying to say, Elysia? You ate days like this. Luckily, I decided to talk a little more today. That's because I'm high. Remember? when I smoke and I'm high, I talk a lot. That's why whatever day and whenever it happens, if I'm, for example, if I have to speak at a forex event or whatever, I got to be high before I get on stage. Because once I get on that stage and I look up, I see freaking many people, I'm a faint. I'm a faint. I'm done. So I gotta be high. So when I look up, I don't see nobody. All the seats will be empty. Then I'll just keep talking. I'm being honest with you guys. That's who I am. It's funny, you guys are laughing.
Well, tell you what, if we ever have a boxing match together, I'm gonna gather the biggest fucking audience ever. Everybody, come watch. Just stare Abe down. Stare that bastard down.
I ain't gonna see nobody because I'll be high too.
What? God damn. We're gonna have to do drug tests as well.
Well, then I'm not gonna do it until weed is legal in other state, or we gotta go do the fight in like Vegas.
Wow.
You at work, Matthew, you're cracking up. You say odd bucks, then high bucks. That's funny.
Amen, Elisio.
Oh, thank you, Alicia. Better to laugh, we won't see peeps soon. Yeah. It is looking like it though. I feel like it is going to come down. Right, looking at this right now, because previously we didn't really have strong candles. Oh, we had exhaustion candles, then rejection candles. So because of that, I think it's going to fall. And it's been breaking lows from pretty much when we created this high to the left, this high right here, couldn't break above the previous one. And since we created this high, we've just been breaking the lows it's been creating. Right now, this high created this low. Right now, since this high broke the previous low, since this high broke this previous low, and this previous low, I mean, at this high, created this low right here, it's only right for it to go up there, come back down again, and break this low, thereby creating new lows here. Now, if we create new low here, we wait for another one, and then we look to take it coming back down, breaking the previous low, creating a new one. So that's pretty much how to really read, structure. Of course, we are bullish overall, but then this is where the lower time frame momentum comes in. This is momentum right here. We got a bullish structure, but we have a bearish momentum. Because we're breaking lows, we're not breaking highs.
Yeah, in beginning of the day, from the beginning of the day, we have also almost 1K more sellers than buyers. The entire day, only sellers in control, so more chances to go down. Yeah, I don't see buyers. Like yesterday with US 30, the price come down, but in footprint only buys order. Something is not right.
No, right.
Usually it's good when you want to sell. It's nice to see selling also on the delta, on the footprint. And when you want to buy, it's good to see green on delta, because you are with the aggressive buyers or sellers. When you want to buy and you see only sales orders, something is not. You need to think twice.
Could have been said that's just confusion. Yeah, good shoot for. So it's probably gonna range here before falling. It could fall. Are we gonna break 2174? That's the question.
Even though we're seeing more selling, realistically it's probably just profit taking. It's not really like aggressive people trying to really sell gold. It's just like, oh man, we're up at the all-time highs, we made so much money, let's take profit.
Yeah, that's why it's not even at a level to where you can sell.
Yeah. And it's not really like going down, really. It's just trickling down barely.
It's just between buyers trying to keep control and sellers trying to push it down, because the sellers were in control until we got to this support level. Yeah, that's why if it closes above 2179, yeah, the buyers are definitely in control. But until then, the sellers are still in control.
Can you believe this candle's about to close like this again?
Yeah. Tyson has dinosaur poop between his toes. He ain't gonna win, and if he does, it's rigged. What?
What happened?
No, I think he's talking about the fight between Tyson and Jake Paul.
What? He's
Yeah,
fighting a YouTuber?
yeah, that was exactly
Oh man,
what
he's
I
gonna
said.
fucking slay him.
Yeah, I don't like the idea. So,
Wait, which of the YouTubers is it? Because I know one of them's
Jake
actually
Paul.
good.
Jake Paul.
I don't know who. I'm gonna have to Google it. I don't know which one's which.
Jake
There's
Paul,
like two of them.
Yeah, you got Logan. Yeah, but Jake Paul is a better fighter than his brother.
Oh, so that's the good one, right? Oh, yep. Oh, that's not a good match for Tyson. That guy's actually like young and
Yeah, and not
big
really.
and
To
good.
me, he's not really a boxer. He's a YouTuber. I don't know. His first ever boxing match, you can tell this was just for money.
I don't know. I wouldn't bet on Tyson. Tyson's too old, man. How old is he? Oh my
Oh.
god.
I'm betting on Tyson.
Uh-oh. All right, Abe. I'm betting on the what the fuck's his name? Paul
Jake
something.
Paul.
Jake Paul.
Man, you're gonna lose your money.
I don't think so. I seen that guy fight. He's actually pretty
Okay.
good.
Okay.
How old is he? 27. How old's Tyson?
Have you seen Tyson train?
Yeah, I actually have.
At his age?
Oh, Tyson's 57. Nah, no, he's not gonna win. If Tyson was 40, for sure he would win. But 57, oh god.
Go and watch Mike Tyson's trainings and his sparring as well, and watch Jake Paul's.
Have you seen that exhibition match between Tyson and the other former boxing champ?
Yeah,
recently.
It was just.
It was bad.
It was just for. I don't know. I don't even want to say the word, but
Money.
That's why if Jake Paul wins Mike Tyson, it will be rigged.
No.
Yeah, if Jake
well,
Paul wins, it's rigged.
I saw that fight between him and whoever, Tyson versus whoever the other guy was, and man, he looked old. They both looked old, like every bit of their age. They both gassed out really fast. They both didn't look good, you know.
At age 57.
Yeah, that's the problem. He's too old.
There is no ex-boxer that can train at the level Michael Tyson still trains at his age.
Oh yeah, Alizio, I saw that video before. I seen Mike Tyson train, like recently.
Yeah,
That's like him training with an MMA coach.
No other boxer his age can do that. None.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna bet on the
Mike Tyson.
what the fuck? Logan Paul, Jake Paul, whatever his name is.
Mike Tyson is built differently.
I'm not trying to disrespect Mike Tyson. I know you want him to win, but man, the age. Oh man, he's so old.
Okay.
We'll see when's the fight.
It's not until July, I think.
Oh, that's far away. We'll see what happens. We will see. And I remember when Conor McGregor fought Mayweather. I was like, dude, I was like 100% Mayweather's winning, even though he's like so old. I was like, 100% he's winning.
Jake Paul is not even, to me, that is not a boxer. He's not a boxer.
Yeah, I don't think he's professional, right?
Give me 6 months. 6 months of training, I'm gonna whoop his ass.
I would not doubt you beating him.
6 months,
Because
that's all I need.
you're big as hell and you're still young. You said you mean you'd fucking die.
But man, Tyson has at his age, man, I'm gonna need at least 2 years to fight him. I need at least 2 years, even at his age. Man, that dude was like my. When I was boxing, Mike Tyson was my online mentor that I never met. So man, I'm gonna need, and it's still, man, it's even freaking. He trains out harder than when he was younger now.
This training is,
And
very
you want me-
impressive.
You want me to, man, fight him? Shit, bye. Shit, I don't care how much you wanna pay. I ain't fighting.
But the thing is, I saw that training and he looked very impressive in training, but then came the exhibition fight, man, did not look good. And I've seen that happen with certain fighters where it's like, man, they look so good in training, and then come fight time, it's oh damn. Everyone in YouTube and Zoom is probably like, man, this guy don't know what the fuck he talking about. Everyone's like rooting for Tyson. And hey, I like Tyson more than any of those YouTube motherfuckers. I hate those YouTube guys, but I'm just trying to be realistic.
Tuvalu said Tyson will eat both objects. Man, I didn't say it. It was Tuvalu that said it.
And also, Tyson's not big anymore. Like, I remember I saw him next to GSP, which was like an MMA fighter, like many years ago, and I was like, dude, he's like basically the same size as the welterweight champ. I was like, what the hell? That's crazy. He used to be heavyweight champ. One thing I have seen is I've seen Jake Paul fuck up those MMA fighters that go to fight him, and I was like, man, he's fighting. I forgot some wrestler dude who was like the world's worst striker in MMA ever, and I was like, there's not a chance in hell he doesn't get knocked out. Not a chance in hell, and he knocked him out dead.
Tyson, he has no shoes.
Yeah, that's another thing. Tyson's not the same mentally. He's like all like, weed, mushrooms. He seems very chill.
He's very spiritual now.
Yeah, before he used to be like a straight up scary ass bastard.
Dude can even be a motivational speaker now, because some of the stuff he be saying, I just be like, wow, that's deep. I follow him everywhere: YouTube, Instagram, his podcast. I follow him down there too. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Mike Tyson.
Tyson wins. I'm gonna have to eat my words, but we'll see.
I'm telling you, if Tyson does not win, it was rigged.
I'll know straight away in the first round. If Tyson starts moving like he, does in training, I'll be, oh shit, the Paul guy's fucked.
All the fight Mike Tyson lost, if he was right mentally, I think we probably would have only had one loss his whole career. That's how good he was.
I have no idea, but I heard after he got out of jail, he started losing all his fights, or most of his fights.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Uh,
The last fight won that he retired, can't remember the white dude's name. Man, the way that dude beat Mike Tyson, I knew it. I'm like, what the heck? This dude to Mike Tyson? No, something is not right. It was crazy.
Oh yeah, I'm yeah, me like it. Every time you wake up, stunning with no makeup. Me like it. How you call my name up? Got me
I've been a
feeling
Tyson fan since I was 9.
them know they can shake us. Me like
Since I was 9.
chaser. Get ready to take off. Okay.
I've been a Tyson fan since I saw him on The Simpsons. You know when Simpsons make fun of him with the voice. Oh my! That's where I first found out about him. I'm like, who's this guy?
Talk for friends, it was. Man, he's still good. I don't care what anyone says.
I don't really watch boxing, but I know like the current boxing heavyweight champions. They all kind of like, from what I've seen of them, they all, I don't know, they all look very slow and not skilled.
Especially
Like when you look at Tyson, it's like,
especially Tyson Fury.
yeah, the really big dude.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's like they're nothing like Tyson. Like Tyson moves so agile, fast, and athletic, and
Yeah.
I don't know.
To me, he's the greatest ever. To me, in his class, because I'm not gonna compare him to all these lower class categories.
Hmm.
In his class, he's
And
the
I did
greatest.
I did see Francis Ngannou fight Tyson Fury, and I was shocked. I was like, "There's not a chance in hell Ngannou can win. He's not very good at striking. He's just big, strong guy. But Tyson Fury's a boxing champion,
Yeah,
and it's like, holy shit, he almost won the fight."
Yeah, he won. He was rigged, but Ngannou has a freaking crazy punch,
Yeah, crazy power.
even for Tyson Fury. That fight between AJ and Ngannou, I mean, AJ, yeah, has the ability to beat Ngannou, but the way he did it, I'm suspecting it.
Suspecting what?
That he won that fast. He knocked him out, I think 3 times.
Yeah, he dropped him like 3 times. Then the last one was dead.
Yeah, I just don't believe it.
Oh, I believe it. He was out. He was fucked up. You see his leg. You see his leg fucking bend backwards. He like fell over. Like it's like, oh damn.
Nobody knocked him out 3 times though. Before that, that's what I find it hard to believe. Like AJ,
I don't find it hard to believe he lost.
I don't find that hard to believe. But the way he lost, though, that's what I find hard to believe.
Yeah, I actually am pretty shocked that he got knocked down and then knocked out so easily. Because I've seen because I watch MMA, I don't watch boxing, but in MMA, Ngannou, he wins his fights because he's got an iron chin and he's got iron fists,
Yeah,
so he just like
he's-
charges forward and smash.
Yeah, and he's very strong.
Yeah,
AJ doesn't have that kind of punch to knock Ngannou out 3 times. Man, I would just say 4.
but he was fucking knocked out at the end. You better believe it. His leg fucking bent backwards like that. So, oh shit.
Yeah,
He ain't faking that.
Maybe I don't know. Maybe twice. Twice is believable. Twice is believable. Because no matter
Well,
how
and also-
no matter how strong he is, he has a weak point. It's all
And
about
also,
getting that
boxing's
weak
so
point.
different to MMA
Oh yeah, for sure.
because, you got totally different rules and different gloves, completely different gloves,
Yeah, for sure. So I don't like MMA. I don't
How
watch.
dare you.
I don't watch MMA. I don't watch MMA.
Man, if it was up to me, I'd be like, I would have MMA competition, but with 0 gloves. No gloves.
Really?
Gloves are bullshit altogether. Yeah, because gloves, they completely change grappling. When I go for a choke on you, I can't choke you because I have the glove and people can just grab your wrist and then the glove's on top of the hand. So when you try to pull out, you can't because the glove is stuck there. So it's like nearly impossible to choke people with a glove on.
It makes sense.
It's like so easy for me to choke people out when I was practicing jiu-jitsu back in the day with, no gloves. But I remember when I put on gloves for sparring practice, it's like, dude, I can't choke anyone. It's fucking ridiculous.
Oh, I think they have that sport. Though. They call it bare knuckle fight. I think.
Oh, but it's not really because they still tape their wrist and the back of the hand and everything.
No, I've seen one that didn't tape their wrists. It
Oh.
was complete bare hands.
Oh, damn. I'd like to see that.
Complete bare hands. I think I saw it. I think it's in YouTube. I think. It was crazy. His legs were not broken, just bent.
Man, it always scares me when people get knocked out like that and their leg bends backwards and they collapse on it.
That final knockout was. Yeah, I believe that knockout because I saw it in slow motion. Yeah, I saw it in slow motion. I'm like, damn.
Thought I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control.
Gano's your guy as well.
Zip line into your timeline.
Painful to watch.
Don't lie. I didn't care for the hype. Yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl.
Yep. Forex entrepreneur agrees with me. Says that fight was suspect. AJ hits hard, but not quite like that. Exactly.
Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight. And I will let you make up your mind. But I can't.
Yeah, he definitely left himself open, and AJ took the opportunity. Can we sell if there's a bearish rejection? Nah. I'm not selling if there's a bearish rejection.
I can't recall when you came through that door, yeah. Glowing like a headlight, independent of the way, got her bread right, yeah. Hard to ignore, sexy body make a jaw hit the floor. Won't you come over now? Just let me hold you down.
I won't be selling there
Nothing else matching your type, yeah.
because price failed to break below the support. We rejected. I would rather wait for it to break.
Oh, what the hell?
Exactly. I was just about to say that. Like, what the hell?
Man, they're playing games.
So fast.
I don't even want to trade this. That's too dangerous. They're fucking with people. That's crazy.
And he did it right before it closed. Just like right before.
Oh yeah, right. Oh man, right at the end of the candle.
Yeah.
Nonsense.
And then look how it freaking closed.
Yep.
Yeah, no value.
Oh, kill the beat. That reminds me. It's like I love watching Khabib Nurmagomedov fight. That guy, he's probably the greatest MMA fighter ever, and he's just a wrestler. It's crazy. He'll
Who?
grab you. Khabib Nurmagomedov. He's gotta be the greatest MMA fighter ever. Everyone knows he's gonna grab you
Send one
and
of
try
his
to take you
video
down.
Send one of his YouTube video to Discord.
Okay. Everyone knows he's gonna grab you and try to take you down. And not a single person can stop it. It's impossible. He'll grab you, take you down, he'll start smashing your face in, and he'll talk to you while he's doing it. There was one fight where he was like smashing the dude and saying like, dude, you have to give up. You have to give up because I must fight for title. You know this. I deserve this. And then the guy hit him, and then he's like, oh, you fucked up, and just starts smashing the dude. I was like, damn, you should have just taken the L. You should just tapped out.
Wow.
Ah, man.
John Bones Jones is the GOAT. Walter does not agree with you. Wow.
Nah, that guy's an eye-poking, cheating piece of shit. Every single fight eye pokes people. There was one fight that was so ridiculous. The dude was complaining to the ref, and the ref wouldn't do anything. And he put both his hands in the air, and then he got poked in the eye. And there's a screenshot of it with him, both hands in the air, and the dude's fingers in his eyeballs.
What the hell?
It's like, dude, eye poke city. That guy,
Yeah.
non-stop eye pokes, ridiculous.
Oh, Proximity Official agrees with you. It says Khabib, no, stats wise, is the best.
Yep. And he's not a good striker or anything, but man, just does that one thing and smashes everybody. No one can stop it.
Mm. Yeah, I seen the Ryan Garcia stuff. Yeah, Khabib wrestles with a beer at his house.
Oh,
Damn,
when he was a kid, there's video of him as a kid wrestling with a bear. It's like, holy shit, man. Your
what?
dad is crazy. His dad's like a military commander or something like that
And
in Russia.
he let him do all that?
Yeah, it's like, here, son,
What?
wrestle with that fucking bear.
What the hell? He could have been eaten by a bear. That's crazy. Oh, that's why he fights like that.
Yep, fearless.
Man, you gotta be scared going against someone like that. Once you hear he was wrestling with a bear, man.
Oh, and then after he smashed Conor McGregor, like he was, I think like McGregor was talking a lot of shit to him, and he was like, "I'm going to change your face." He's like, "I'm gonna change your face." It's like, holy shit, dude! This guy's talking about rearranging your face.
Man. And people like that, man, I've seen someone like that in boxing when I was still in Nigeria. Man, I don't know if he ever actually fought for Nigeria or nothing. I don't think he did. But this dude is so fearless that I'm like, man, I hope I never have to fight this dude. That's how dangerous he was. And what he usually do is, once he steps in the ring, he look at you straight in the eye. He look at you straight in your eye. Once you blink, he knows he got you. Once you blink, he knows he's got you, and he's gonna win. He knows you're scared of him, and he's winning.
Yeah, there's that thing where it's like you have people who are really good martial artists, like let's say a really good technical boxer or MMA fighter, whatever. But then there's also those people who are like fucking monsters, fighters, you know?
Yeah. And they know it too. That's what the first thing they want to do is to intimidate you once they step in the ring.
Oh, and yeah, Pi. McGregor did attack a bus, but man, that guy's fake. Everything he does is fake. Like, if you see the video, he threw he threw some metal thing at the bus and broke the window, and you see his face. He's kind of like, "Oh shit! I didn't think it was actually gonna break." But then he pauses for a while and thinks about what to do next, and then he runs around. He looks for something, and he gets a plastic bin to throw at the bus next because he knows it's not gonna break the bus anymore.
Wow. It's all WWE now.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Man, I still remember McGregor did the "Don't hold me back. Hold me back, guys. Hold me back. Don't hold me back. I'm gonna fuck him up. Hold me back, please."
What's that dude's name again? Khabib?
Yeah. Oh, I posted in Discord one of the videos that I found on YouTube. Undefeated too. I think he's like the only undefeated champion for MMA ever.
Yeah. All right, YouTube, we're not gonna get anything this session. So if you want to trade NY session with us and learn from me, you need my guidance, you can join us using the link in the description. All right, if that's the case, I'll see you during NY session. Zoom, I'll see you guys at during NY. YouTube, God bless you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same session. Peace. I'm out. All right, Zoom.
All right, thanks, Abe.
We'll see you during the NY session. We wait for CPI today.
Yeah, no choice.
Yeah.
Thanks, Abe.
You're welcome.